Hi, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. Oh my goodness, it's been forever, like literally forever. But you know what, guys? I'm back. We're better, we're bigger. Literally. You guys, it's not even funny how much weight I've gained, but today is not the day to talk about that. Anyways, guys, welcome back to my channel. First of all, happy new year to every single person. I hope 2023 brings you so much blessings, so much happiness, so much joy, so much money. I mean, whatever it is you want out of this year, I pray and hope that you get it. But yeah, welcome back to my channel, you guys. It's been forever. I know I've been AWOL, but you know what? Life has been lifing. I've been really busy over the last year, and I just didn't like the fact that I was very inconsistent with YouTube. So I decided I was gonna take a pause for a bit and then come back to YouTube when I know that I can dedicate that time and be as consistent as I would like to be. So here we go. Hopefully this time I'm here to stay. I guess we'll see, right? But yeah, you guys, welcome back. Of course, first of all, I want to say a big thank you to you guys that are still subscribed to this channel. Honestly, in my mind, I just assumed a lot of people would have unsubscribed from my channel, but like, you guys are still here. I absolutely love you guys for still being here, for still rocking with me. I promise to bring you guys more consistent content moving forward. Well, maybe I shouldn't promise, but I will do my best to bring you guys more consistent content, moving forward. Alrighty, guys, so today's video is going to be divided into two parts. This part is going to be mainly just reintroduction and let you guys know what to expect moving forward from my channel, and also of course to welcome you guys into the new year and thank you guys for still working with me. So yeah, if you're new here, welcome. My name is Damaris. You can call me Sheyi, whatever you prefer. It's really up to you. Welcome. I am glad to have you here. If you feel like you like my vibe, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on all my socials. Well, let me not say all my socials. I mostly do Instagram, TikTok. I think maybe I would come on TikTok this year. I'm still learning TikTok. It's like a whole new world over there. I feel like it's for the Gen Zs or something. But yeah, I'm learning TikTok. I think I would maybe post more on TikTok this year. We'll see. But I am majorly on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram handle on the screen for you, so go ahead and follow me on Instagram for some nice, fun, cool content. Yeah, so you guys, what to expect moving forward from my channel? If I'm being honest, like, I feel like part of the reasons why it's taking me this long to come back on YouTube is because I was sort of struggling a little bit with what direction I wanted to go with my channel. But then I sort of came to a realization that at the end of the day, this is my channel. This should be all things me, everything that I like to do, everything that interests me, and bits and pieces of my life that I feel like I want to share with you guys. So we would not be niching down like that too much. This channel is going to be all things me. If today I feel like sharing some beauty content or beauty tips with you guys, I will. If tomorrow I want to do fashion, I want to do lifestyle content, vlogs, it's going to be all in one. Okay, guys, so it's going to be, this channel moving forward is going to be every single thing that interests me that I want to share with you guys is what we're going to be doing moving forward. I don't want to be too niche down like that. So yeah, that is what to expect moving forward. I'm hoping that I can post up 2 videos a week. I don't know what the schedule will look like quite yet, but if not, I would at least have 1 video out every week. At the very least, I should be able to do that. So yeah, as far as what to expect, that is what to expect from my channel moving forward. I'm trying to see if I didn't leave anything else out. I don't really want this video to be too long. Yeah, you guys, feel free to let me know in the comment section whatever it is you want to see from me, whatever you want me to create whatever kind of content you want me to create, or whatever video you want me to make. Feel free to let me know that in the comment section. I'll definitely be hanging out in the comment section, you know, looking at the comments, trying to see what you guys want to see from me. And yeah, there's so much fun stuff to come. Of course, I'm still going to carry on with my girl chat series. I already have a lot of topics lined up, so I'm definitely good on that front. But yeah, if there's anything you guys want us to talk about as well, feel free to let me know that in the comment section below. So if you're not familiar with the girl chat series, it's basically episodes where we talk about real life topics, where I get you know, takes from a handful of women, and you know, come here and share that with you guys, and also share my take on those subjects as well. So that's pretty much what the girl chat series, what we're going to be doing with the girl chat series moving forward. But yeah, I'm definitely excited for the new year. Like I said, this video is going to be in 2 parts because I don't want it to be too long. The other part will be where we talk about 2023, what are our plans, what are our goals, and how are we going to crush it. So yeah, that's what the next video would be about. I think I've pretty much covered everything I wanted to talk about in this video. You guys, I want to beg you, please, you guys, I want to beg you, please, and please like my video, share my content, share my YouTube videos with your friends, your sisters, your brothers, your cousins, whoever you think would like my vibe or would be interested in my kind of content. Please don't hesitate to share my video with them. I would really appreciate it. I'm not even fronting, I am begging, proper begging. So help a girl out, you guys. Yeah, but that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. If you're feeling my nails, they are press-ons, they are not real. I didn't go to get these nails done. I just don't have time. And I don't have time to keep my nails this long for every single thing I want to do in this house. So yeah, no, these are just press-ons. Yeah, my rings are from Shein. I'm really feeling these rings. I have these ones on this. I don't know if you guys can see, but hopefully you can. So yeah, this is what I have on this hand here, and I have this one on this hand. I'm really feeling it, you guys. Too bad I don't have anywhere else to go. After filming, I'll pretty much just take all this stuff off and go do some chores, really, is what we're doing today. So yeah, you guys, I will leave you to it. Again, I absolutely love you guys for still being here, still working with me. I honestly appreciate every single person that's still working with me on this channel. Hopefully this year we're able to take this channel to the next level. We're able to level up this channel. We'll see. But yeah, I will let you guys go for now. I will catch you in my next video. Please subscribe to my channel if this is your first time here. I will leave my Instagram on the screen for you. Follow me on Instagram. What else is there? Yeah, YouTube, Instagram is really what I do. Snapchat, not so much. But yeah, follow me on all my socials. I absolutely love you. Have yourself an amazing day. I will catch you in my next one. Bye.